everybody, welcome back to my channel. When you walk in from my garage, this is my garage door right here. This is the entrance. Azai is here in his costume. We're on my first floor. Here we have two long closets. This is pretty much like a storage closet, and it goes all the way down. Here is another closet. For this closet, it's like another storage closet. And then this is the third closet. Then we have my stairs to get inside the house. So let's go up. So this is my main entrance. This is like my foyer. We also have another closet. This closet is like our cloak closet. And then this is like up. Did studio light ceilings like that. But let's go up. Maybe I could put like a plant here. This is going up to my living room. This is the big living room. Beautiful flooring. This is hardwood flooring. We just did it. New windows. We also have a balcony. This is when you come in. This is my guest bathroom. Here, we did this type of tiling. Here is my laundry unit. So we have laundry here. These are new. We just got them installed. And then we have like an extra little thing for storage here. I have some ideas for this, but as of right now, this is like not my favorite thing about the house. We have upstairs. Show you that in a second, but this is our view of our dining room. And then to this side is just like our boiler and stuff, so this is gonna be closed. Here we inputted our kitchen. This is our kitchen. New appliances, new cabinets. This is our new Samsung fridge. We literally just got it. I wanted a Samsung. Pull this. It has like an ice maker for the meat and defroster. Super nice. I really like it. And then I had cherry wood cabinets. They're gorgeous. I really wanted something warm because in my apartment it was very like white and cold, I felt like, with again the marble, the new stove. This is like a little grill top, which I never had before, a new microwave, and again the cabinet, very spacious, and then non-slamming. Love that. Then we have our marble, like our backsplash. Love that. I love how it's cohesive with the house. And then we have the windows, and then the sink, and then this dishwasher. Also brand new. So everything in this house is brand new. We literally built it from the ground up. This is my little island. We're on the actual island. I don't know if you remember, but I have bar stools in my house. However, the bar stools are super tall. I want to get like 2 cabinet size bar stools, so that is an idea. I also have a breakfast nook in here. I don't know what to do with this space because I feel like 2 different places for us to eat is absolutely crazy and insane. However, I was thinking of making this like an office space for me and John, but he doesn't like the idea of the office being inside the kitchen. But I feel like a designated office space is really good for us. I don't know, maybe I still might make it into a little breakfast nook. I'm not sure exactly what I want to do to this space, but yeah, we have a breakfast nook. There is a door and we have a pantry. Now on Amazon, there's these little slabs that I'm going to get, and they're like wooden slabs to go over these ugly rail grades. These are like the Build-A-Grade rails that they put in most units. However, I don't like it. I want to replace them, so yeah. This is my kitchen. So excited. Here is my dining room area. I have so many ideas for this area as well. Like I kind of want to put a little wine racks here, so we have like a wine collection. I don't know if I want the table to go like this, long ways, or like this. Long ways. This is going to be my, I kind of want to put like nice, beautiful artwork, like floral. I feel like when you go into a dining room, it should be bright and vibrant. A lot of people feel like it should be dark and moody. There was a chandelier here, super duper ugly, super duper horrible. So it got replaced with overhead lighting, which I kind of don't like as well. But for now, it's going to work. Who knows what else we're going to do. Going upstairs to the 3rd floor. All right, so this is the master bedroom, which is my bedroom. I have really high ceilings. It's like 11 feet. Literally, it's huge. It's like 11, 12 feet. And then I have all this space. I have new windows. We have this small closet here, which is going to be my husband's. Unfortunately, he is not too fond of it or happy, but I feel like he has enough space in here. If he's not stuck or keen on having this closet, then this closet is definitely going to be Azai's. We are going to be sharing the room with Azai. Because he's a baby. He's only 1, guys, so. And then over here, here's our master closet. It's a walk-in closet. It's not huge. Like our other closet was a little bit bigger than this. Again, it has these ugly racks, but we're going to do what we can with it. We're going to take out these racks and do the IKEA storage in here and make the best of it. Here we have the master bathroom as well. Again, new flooring, which is super cute, new cabinetry. I feel like the clean aesthetic in here is nice. We put new tiling in here as well. And I'm getting a new shower head. But yeah, super duper cute. I also installed these for my skincare, my hair products, all that stuff. Maybe we could put our perfumes and stuff or lotions, and then they're also non-slamming as well. I kind of want to change the light. You can't even see it much, but yeah, we'll work out one thing at a time. But again, the overview of the bathroom for the master bedroom. Here is my main hallway. I kind of want to do like gallery photos over here, because over here you have all this junk. You have like the speakers to talk downstairs, so like I can talk to John at the door, or I can tell anybody at the door like I'm coming down, which is super duper ugly. But yeah, I kind of want to do a gallery wall here. We don't have space for like a table to go up here, which sucks. Here to the left is the kids' bathroom. I meant that this bathroom had to have a bathtub in. The same cupboards for their stuff. But this one has a bathtub so that Azai, the kids, can take their little bubble baths. I really wanted something cozy for them. They enjoy a bathtub. And then I am going to get new filtered. We are going, this is my linen closet. I just needed something small and accessible. So yeah, they inputted this one. Again, with the regular shelving. I'm going to change that into the wood slabs from Amazon. The whole house, I have the overhead lighting. This room to the left is Zayden's room. It's one of the smaller rooms, but it's big enough for him. This is one of his closets. So Zayden actually has 2 closets. His closet, it has the sliding doors as well, and then he has a deep closet as well, and he can put all his stuff in here, which is awesome. I do have a lot of ideas. Like, I want this to be an accent wall. Zayden's bed is going to be here, his dresser here, and then he's going to have his desk here, which is why I want this to be the accent wall, or this should be the accent wall. I'm not sure, actually. This is where his artwork's gonna be, so I don't know. Malannie's room. She has one of the bigger rooms, and it is absolutely beautiful here. She also has a long, deep closet, and I have a lot of ideas for this room. I'm excited. This is going to be her accent wall because her bed is going to go actually up against this wall. And then she has a long drawer that it's going to go here. And then her vanity, like, over here. Super, super cute. She's gonna have a little mirror behind the door, like, around here, so she can check her fits before she goes. But yeah, guys, I think she's going to love it. All right, you guys, thanks so much. This is the end of my video. My empty house tour. I'm so glad you guys enjoyed this. I love you guys so much. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join the fam. It is absolutely free. We're home.